Finding the right facility for your church can be a bit of a challenge. We wanted to make it a little easier, so we made a checklist that takes into account all the different variables and aspects so that you can print that out and take it with you when you go to assess your potential rentals. Now, let's skip forward to pages 3, 4, and 5. You'll see we've got everything laid out here for you. Print a copy of this page and share it with everyone who will be involved in the final decision. We also recommend bringing it with you on your next tour or visit. So there are 3 major categories to check out. The first one has to do with the building itself, like its location and layout. Is it in the right neighborhood? Is it the right size for your congregation? What's the layout inside? Does it have the facilities you need for your different ministries? Does it have air conditioning, kitchen space, restrooms, seating? How's the lighting? Things like that. The second category has to do with electrical capacity of the building. If there's one thing we know about churches, it's that you're going to need a lot of power to do everything you do on Sunday. So don't forget to ask these questions about the building's electrical features. And if there's going to be enough power, ask if you might be able to upgrade or bring your own source. The last category has to do with the landlord and the contract. This may seem out of place for a rental checklist, but in our experience, we've seen how important this can be in determining how well things work out in the long term. Establishing a good relationship with your landlord will help you enjoy your space for longer, negotiate your contract on more favorable terms, and give you the flexibility to change or upgrade the space as needed. As you're looking around, we encourage you not to think about just one branch of ministry using the space, but think of the space as a whole. Does it serve your entire church? That's the secret to finding a rental that makes everyone feel satisfied and feel right at home. Take note of all these things, and this will help you determine what you really need from a building to help you find the right one for your church. We know there's a lot to get done. We know this can be a bit overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. That's why we put together the checklist. Please use this thing to help this process go as smoothly for you as possible. And don't forget, we've got your back. We've been doing this a long time. We really are here to help you. Matter of fact, I've got people standing by and ready to talk to you. We're offering a free 20-minute, no sales pitch, no strings attached, no nothing, consultation call with one of our folks who knows exactly what they're doing and can help you process through all of this stuff. You got this. We got you. Give us a call. We look forward to talking with you soon.